crypto, 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 crypto. All right. So if you're watching this video, you might be thinking about buying crypto. You're you're doing your little investigating. My video popped up, and you're like, let me see what this dude talking about. Now, just to be clear, I'm not a crypto expert. All right. But, I do have some crypto. I bought some crypto a little bit ago, got a couple videos talking about it. But this is kind of like a little, I don't want to sound negative, but it's more like my crypto warning, right? To those who are thinking about buying crypto. Now, first of all, do I believe in crypto? Do I think crypto, is legit? Do I believe it's gonna, it's gonna get more and more popular? More people are gonna start using it, more businesses. Absolutely. I do believe crypto is something that people need to start learning more about, right? I do believe crypto is going to get more and more accessible throughout the years and everything. But right now, I warn you, before you start buying crypto, especially a lot of it, you really need to, first of all, realize that like whatever money you plan on using to buy crypto or invest in crypto, you need to be prepared to lose it, right? No matter what nobody say, all these, companies out here and programs out here, like, listen, if you join our program, you'll earn, $1 million when you buy crypto, and you will not lose your money no matter what. Don't believe that, right? If you have $100 or $1,000 that you have ready to invest or buy crypto, understand that you could lose that money, at least for a long period of time. So if you feeling like, yo, straight up, I got $100, I'm about to buy this crypto, I'm about to sell it next month, I'm about to turn this $100 into 10,000. I mean, good luck, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's possible. Now, why do I say all this? Because a couple years ago, I bought Cardano, right? Which is a very popular cryptocurrency. And it still is, I guess, fairly popular. But when I got Cardano, I actually did a video on it. When I bought it, I actually was only trying to buy, I forget what it was, like 200 shares or something, 200 currencies, whatever you want to call it. And I accidentally bought like 1,200. Right, I did a video talking about it, and it was like around over $1,200 I actually spent on Cardano, right? And I was literally gonna get, like, I was gonna sell it to get like my money back, some of it back, right? But then I stopped, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna keep it. Why? Because at that time, all the little analytics people and the experts, they all was saying that Cardano is it. Cardano, you need to buy it now. Because if you buy it now, in the next year to 3 years, this could quadruple your money. This could quadruple, right? Now keep in mind, I only wanted to buy like a couple hundred, but I ended up buying a lot more on accident. So I'm like, you know what though? Everybody's saying this is gonna pop off. Everybody's saying this is gonna be huge. So I kept it, right? And as I'm recording this video in September of 2022, Cardano is down, damn it, it's down, right? I mean, I remember buying it, it was like $1.36, $1.37 per Cardano, right? And now, as I just looked before I shot this video, and it's at 49 cents. 49 cents, right? Like, it's like down drastically, right? So if I was to sell my Cardano right now, I would have lost a lot of money. So pretty much, I mean, I ain't got no choice pretty much, but to keep it and, just hold on to it. Now, I will say this, on the potential positive side, I'm assuming that crypto eventually is going to go on the uptick, right? I'm assuming that a lot of these cryptos that are struggling right now, when the economy get back popping and wars are over and this and that, I'm assuming Cardano is going to go back to having this high expectation, and the earning potential will go super crazy. That's what I'm hoping. All right. That's what I'm hoping. So, I'm holding on to it. But right now, if I was to sell, or if I really needed some money back and I had to sell my crypto, like, I would have lost some money. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of money, a lot of my investment I would have lost on, crypto. All right, now on the other side of it, if you really believe in crypto, right, and you got a little money to spend, maybe this would be the time to rack up on some Cardano, because it is only 49 cents right now, right? So you probably, you could buy 100, what the hell do you call it, shares or cryptos or whatever. Maybe you could buy 100 Cardanos or whatever, and that can turn into something crazy in the future, right? So moral of the story is, like, before you get and really buy some crypto, even though it's going to be, I think it's getting more and more popular, but like, man, like, be willing to lose that money. Like, I don't care what nobody tell you. Trust me, everybody was saying, get Cardano at that time, man. Cardano, it's a no-brainer in the crypto game, baby. So I was like, all right. But like I said, that's my take on Cardano. That's my little crypto warning. But if you want to get involved with it, it's on you. Hopefully you will make some money with it. Now, thankfully, I got other ways to make money online. And if you want to check out one of my favorite ways to make some money online, you will want to watch this video right here.